In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in PandaDoc. If you're building proposals, contracts, or quotes on a regular basis, templates are the fastest way to keep everything consistent, on brand, and ready to send with just a few edits. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by opening PandaDoc and looking at the left-hand panel. Click on Templates. This is your central hub for anything you plan to reuse. Next, select My Templates. Think of this as your personal or team library, where all the reusable documents you create will live, organized, and easy to find the next time you need them. Now, head to the top right and click the plus icon to create a new template. This is where you choose how you want to get started. You can build your template by using another template as a basis, start from a completely blank template, or upload your own document. Using an existing template is great when you already have a strong layout and just need to make a few adjustments. Starting from blank is perfect when you want full control over structure and content from the ground up. Uploading your own file works well if you have a polished document in Word or another format and want to bring it into PandaDoc so it becomes reusable. Once you make your choice, PandaDoc takes you into the template editor. This is the workspace where you personalize the template for your organization. You'll see a clean canvas with tools to adjust text, add sections, and align your branding. It's a good moment to think about the information that tends to change from document to document, like client names, dates, project details, or pricing, and design the template so those areas are easy to update later. Clear headings, consistent fonts, and recognizable colors help every document feel professional and familiar to recipients. As you explore the editor, consider leaving room for repeatable elements you'll need every time, such as a cover message, a scope summary, or signature blocks. If your process relies on standard language, keep it in the template so you don't have to hunt for it later. Many teams also like to include placeholders where variable details will go, which keeps editing fast and reduces mistakes. And that's it. By navigating to Templates, opening My Templates, clicking the plus icon, choosing how you want to start, and then personalizing in the editor, you've created the foundation for repeatable, polished documents in PandaDoc.